Ever wondered why some people quietly build wealth while others struggle for years? Today, I'll reveal the hidden habits of millionaires that most people overlook. Habit 1. Relentless consistency. Talk about how millionaires stick to saving, investing, and learning daily, like brushing teeth. Habit 2. Thinking long-term. Explain how they prioritize future rewards over instant gratification. Habit 3. Multiple streams of income. Discuss side hustles, investments, and passive income. Habit 4. Mastering self-control. Avoiding lifestyle inflation and unnecessary debt. Habit 5. Investing in knowledge and AMP, networks. Learning from books, mentors, and surrounding themselves with other successful people. Conclusion and AMP, call to action. Millionaires aren't magicians, they are masters of habits. Start small today and watch your wealth grow. Subscribe to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni for more millionaire insights.